Hi and welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. In this episode I'm going to show you the adjustable side square that comes with the Golz saw. So the angle finder simply fits on either the left hand side or the right hand side of the table, simply by undoing this knob here. It will go onto the right hand side, or swing it round to go on the left hand side, whichever is your preference. Angles can be found here. So if you want to do 45 degrees, simply set the angle finder, bring your tile to the stop and then cut. If you want to do it at 30 degrees, adjust the angle finder, tile on and cut. So to sum up, a great little addition to the saw. Find all those angles with ease, a fully adjustable little gadget.